Hi guys. 2 secs. Yeah. Okay. Hi guys. I'm wearing a rather big jacket. My hood's falling down. And in all truth, this video was actually made a couple of days ago. It's just I finally decided to put it up, and as you can see, I'm kind of in a forest. So yeah. I'm walking around in a forest. I don't actually think you guys have properly seen my hair curly before, but I guess this is what it's like. So yeah, so basically I was on a kind of little holiday with my mama, and her boyfriend or her partner, whatever you want to call him, and my 3 dogs. So yeah, and just now I'm just kind of heading towards the beach. And I decided to do this now because, you know, I don't really particularly want to be seen like just casually walking around with me talking to myself, despite the fact that I've been doing that pretty much the entire time. Pretty little cabin. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Ah. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm now pretty much at the beach. Just need to like walk down here. So yeah. I haven't really been able to get online at all. That's why it's been posted a couple of days later, because there is no internet connection whatsoever out here. But you know, I guess in a way that's kind of good, because it means that you're not kind of distracted by all like the interneting world constantly like you are when you have internet connection. So yeah, I guess that's pretty good. I haven't made a video in a couple of weeks because it's been a tad hectic, I suppose. I've been doing school projects. Well, a school project that I'm still doing with my friend. It's called Hooked. Some of you guys might know it. And it's basically a huge kind of presentation all about drugs, I suppose you would say. Wow, this place is so pretty. And Arn. Sorry. Yeah. And in English we are doing another project, and it's called BBC School Report. So yeah, I've emailed people to ask to do interviews and stuff. My arm's getting pretty tired now. Wow, it's so pretty. It's like something from like La Push from Twilight. That's actually how pretty it is. It like has that reminder of it. Like seriously. I'm not joking, see? It's super pretty. So it's just something you would expect to see in like La Push or something. Oh yeah, and the lake is basically all ice. And on my Facebook there's like pictures of like my dogs walking on this ice, which I'll probably like tweet or something because it's pretty funny. I guess you really can walk on the water. So like if you guys think I'm really joking about it, there we go. See? Like it's completely covered with ice. Oh! See, there's like a tree like here. Just resting. So yeah, it's super pretty. Oh my god. Yeah, let's see how strong this ice is. Oh my god! It didn't fucking break. Oh my god. It's like the Titanic. I guess it's not really like the Titanic at all. I guess it's stupid, seeing if I can like walk on it. Yeah, there's like lots of like little sticks that I've like frozen onto it. I don't know why my voice just changed there. But it's really super pretty. And I got like these two really cute little bunny things. And I thought they were really cute, and I decided to make my makeup match that, which is why it's all pink and blue. So yeah. I had news. Like a couple of weeks ago, there was this. I was walking through the English corridor. No, the PE corridor. Sorry. Wow, my arm. And there was this boy that I'm pretty sure I've never really seen before. Like, I've seen him in the corridors, but I've never really spoken to him. He tapped me on the shoulder and he said, "Oh, you're that girl from YouTube." And I was like, yeah. And I just continued walking. So, I didn't think that people... I know that Courtney and Joanne have seen them. I think that's their names. I know they've seen some of my videos. But I didn't think that people that I've never freaking laid my eyes on before I'd seen them. So, yeah. I love this beach. So, shoe, feet, wet, and like over here, that's where we can let the dogs out, and that's where they were like falling on the ice. And seriously, like the mountains have snow on them, which makes it all look super pretty. Oh, it looks like it might rain soon. Yeah. So it's nothing really like on the beach to do, but it's so beautiful. And there's like little kids staring at me, wondering what the hell she's doing, talking to herself, just holding her phone. I don't freaking know. But yeah, I think we should just hang out in the woods. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. That's like so yeah. It's like goodbye, beautiful beach. Into the woods. Ha ha ha. Yeah. I think I've lost it. It's really pretty. So, yeah. Ooh! There's like a bridge. I don't want to stray too far away from the caravan site though. It's like head back the way that we came. Then we'll see where that takes us. So, yeah. You guys are probably already bored by now. I don't know if you've actually watched to the end of this video. So, yeah. I'm just like a random girl that has made like 30 odd videos. Only using her iPod and her phone camera because she hasn't got money to pay for any cool ones. So, oh, I also got this like super pretty necklace. Yeah, I got that. Ooh, it's like another bridge. It's like over here. I'm sorry if you guys are really bored of me just rambling on about these really pretty things. So, yeah. I don't want to go, because then I'll be bored. So, oh, I see my home. Okay, so basically I'm going to make my way back to my little mobile. And, yeah. So, I'm sorry I haven't made videos in a while. But like I said, there's been a lot of... Oh my freaking god. There's been a lot of things going on recently. So, I don't think I've smiled this much in a while. Oh yeah, and I'm also pretty sick, so I haven't been able to stop hacking and coughing basically all of yesterday and all of today. I'm sorry, I wasn't entirely sure my camera was still recording. So, yeah. See? There's a little bridge, like, there. Yeah, you see how yucky my fingers are. Shoes. My super messy shoes.